we just love food. Without kids, like, I'm pretty sure that's one thing we really bond over.
Good morning, guys. Actually, good afternoon. So we went to church. It was morning. Now it's the afternoon. Oh my gosh. Always a back voice.
Mommy,
Yes.
we need to go to Target and then get buy a toy and then get be good.
That's right. So what she's trying to say is we're on our way to Target, starting the vlog at our favorite place. But we're really taking them there as a surprise. Because later we're going to be leaving them for a little parent. Oh my gosh. Can you guys stop screaming? For a little parent getaway. Just so they'll be staying with Jonathan's parents, so we can just get away for one night and maybe hang out with some friends without the children. Very exciting for us. But Zaya has no idea where we're going. She just knows that tonight she's sleeping with her Awi, her grandma. What'd you say?
Mommy, I'm just gonna say, you cannot get toys because you're bigger and bigger.
How come you get toys?
I can't choose. I will get real one and me too.
Why?
Because we are sisters.
But why do you get a toy?
Because we're sisters.
Because you're gonna hang out with,
Awi.
and you're gonna be bad?
No.
No.
You're gonna be.
Gonna be a good girl?
Yeah.
So we didn't vlog much inside because these two were having a meltdown. It's basically nap time. Oh my god. And the shoe overboard. Look at this. This one throwing shoes. What are you doing down there? Why? I don't think you're supposed to be down there.
Everybody.
Can you get out?
No.
We're gonna go on the street. You need to get out. We're about to go, Daddy, we're about to go on the street. You need to get out,
All right,
please.
come on, baby. Come on.
It's dangerous. Okay, you can go in the cart or with Daddy.
All right. So what do we get, Zaya?
I got my toy.
You got a toy? What kind of toy did you get?
A phone. Hello.
Yeah, Zaya got a toy phone. Something that she likes to do is pretend like she's like Daddy. She's always on the phone like Daddy, and she'll say, "Hello, Jonathan speaking," because that's how I answer the phone whenever I speak to my clients. But yeah, this girl, you want to be like Daddy? Yeah? Oh, I love you. We kiss?
I want to be quiet.
Oh, you want to be quiet? Okay, so...
Client.
Oh, you want to be a client? Okay.
To money.
For money? Okay. Our business girl over here. Alright, so you say...
Some money in the box.
You have money in the box? Okay, alright. Well, you're going to share with Daddy, right? Are you going to share with Daddy? Alright. You going to buy me a pony?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy you a pony.
Okay. Alright, so we are now at our hotel, and I just want to start off by saying, you know, to our kids, Ziana, Zalia, we love you guys so much. We just are looking for some recharge time is all. But definitely great to have a night out. We are, I know Zoran mentioned earlier, we are going to see some friends, so we are celebrating our friend's birthday tonight. So we just checked into the hotel, and my goodness, check out this view. So we are staying here in San Francisco, not too far from where we're having dinner, and check out this view. Oh my god, it's amazing. So you get to, on this side of the building you see the city, and I wish we were on the other side. We get to see the bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, but it's still amazing. It's all good. We are now about to go. What are we doing, Mom?
I'm hungry, but I don't know what I want to eat.
Yeah,
so I think we're just gonna walk until we find something.
Yeah, our dinner reservation is like at
almost at 9.
Almost 9.
And
so
it's almost 5, and we didn't eat lunch.
yeah, so we're starving.
So we need to eat something so
Before
I don't
someone
die.
gets hangry. Yeah.
I'm already hungry.
All right. Okay, then cut it.
So I really wanted to get Nick's Tacos again. Like, we had a taco a few weeks back with the girls, but that was too far for me to walk because I am really hangry. So we found this place, super cute. Like, Jonathan didn't think it was a restaurant, I think, when we stopped, because he looked really confused.
I thought it was just a wine bar, so there's like a fridge all around.
Yeah, so like all behind me, it's like refrigeration, and then
like
you'll see in the
authentic.
middle, it's like there's some tables, and there's like a ramen menu, and they have forgot what it was called. They called them like rice balls, kind of. What did he say they were like?
Onigiri.
Kind of like onigiri.
Yeah. It's like
And then
basically rice balls.
they have like a bunch of Asian snacks, like Japanese snacks. So it's actually super cute. We're still waiting for our food, so we're just checking out all the drinks. And this one over here,
I'm excited.
he's like so excited.
I want to like just take some back to the hotel, you know?
So I realized you guys are gonna see a lot of us eating in this vlog.
We just got
So
some
it's
boba.
basically- Yeah, we got some boba, and we're about to have like going out for dinner in about 3 hours. So it's basically a parents' food tour. But I'm taking a break from the food tour, and I'm looking for a birthday card because it's my mom's birthday tomorrow. And I just love it when we find shops like this bookshop we're at, where the cards are just all unique. They're not just like Hallmark. No offense to Hallmark, I buy those cards. But you know, they're like unique and funny and like just super cute. So I just found scratch and sniff birthday cards. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I love going to these type of places for cards because you find unique things like this. This card is only $4.25. And it's scratch and sniff. This one has no sample, but look, this one. Chocolate. Let's see.
How does it smell?
Chocolate. You want to smell?
Oh, it does smell like chocolate.
And then this one. This is what got me really excited. Churros. Best wishes on Churro birthday.
On Churro birthday. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day, and what better way to start the day with our favorite donut place called Bob's Donut. Back when we used to work in the city, we actually lived in the city for a little bit. This is our favorite place, and they have amazing donuts. Let's see. Check out Zoran. Getting her Instagram post on over here. And oh my goodness, check out those donuts. And hand to donut ratio. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so we had a donut, or somebody had some donut, I had a donut, but we picked up more food. We got dim sum, or this is dim sum. So we got pork and shrimp dumplings and a chicken sticky rice. It's not a plate, but it's like a meal, or yeah, sticky rice.
I lost my voice.
Yeah, so somebody lost their voice last night, but definitely we are excited. We're gonna go ahead and eat because this is just getting cold. It's cold here in the city.
I really wanted to get like breakfast, but this is perfect.
Alright guys, we are now home, and I'm sure the kids are gonna start running out of the door any second now. And although I truly enjoyed, we both ran, and I truly enjoyed our time on our staycation. Oh, let me turn around. On our staycation, we truly miss our kids. Ziana called us while we were on our way home, and we were just like so happy to hear from them. But let's see. Hello! Oh my god! Surprise! What happened to you? What are you doing up there? It's okay. It's okay. We heard that Zalia had a bloody nose again last night.
She slept with Ma Aoi. Were you vlogging earlier?
Yeah.
You were just taking pictures. You weren't vlogging. Do you want to vlog now?
Can you make a heart for Lola?
Sure. You want to vlog?
I got a sticker, a heart.
Oh, what are you doing?
That I put right here.
Uh-huh.
And your eye.
What is it for?
For Lola.
Why?
Because she needs a heart for her. She's That's her mama.
Huh?
That's her mommy.
What's on my head? Who put that on my head?
Mr. and me.
You put that on my head yesterday. I don't know, guys. Did she put this on my head yesterday? Have I been wearing this since yesterday? I think Zalia put it on my head. Zalia. I'm pretty sure it was Zalia.
Alright, so we are now at Zoran's mom's house because it is her birthday today, and so just to state, the eating has not stopped. We have shown you so much food this vlog. It's pretty sad and ridiculous, but because we just love food. Without kids, like, I'm pretty sure that's one thing we really bond over, Zoran and I, because we have a love for food. I know we're on this 6-week challenge. We are gonna be back on it. Today's Monday, so we are gonna be working out tonight. But the food has not stopped. Let me show you our spread right now. It's a little bit of everything. So we have some pancit, some lechon, we have some beef, what is it? Beef machado, some dim sum, and some egg roll, and I think there's more coming over. Right, so we have done eating. We have had so much food today, but we are gonna end the vlog by...
I have no voice.
Oh, and she lost her voice, so she's talking a lot to everybody. And just to end the vlog, we have a champagne cake from Schubert's, or one of our favorite bakeries in the city, and that donut place that we went to this morning, we got a giant donut. But that's the way at the end of the day. We are gonna work out later tonight, so I don't know if you're prepared, but we are gonna. She is prepared. Okay, you want to say bye, Zaya?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog.
Bye.
Okay, bye. We'll see you guys next week. Like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday.